Okay, so this is what your zigzag book will look like when you're finished. We're going to open it up and you can see how when we paint in it, you have these zigzag pages. Go back to this way. We have, as you flip through it, you will see that the pages zigzag as you open them. I love the quality this looks like. You can see the deckled paper. There are also cut edges in there, but you can see it. Makes for thick quality paper. This closes it right up. You can decorate the cover however you would like. It's easy to carry. It's very lightweight. I hope you enjoy your project as much as I'm going to enjoy, hopefully, using my journals that I'm creating. I'm also going to start a nature journal series involving wildflowers and nature in addition to the animals that we've been painting. So join us soon for the next class coming up. Don't forget to go to Instagram at Joy Neasley Studios, and you can stop by joyneasley.com and the website and post your projects. Post some of your work in your projects here on Skillshare. Don't forget to follow me so you know when the next class comes out. Bye, and thanks for watching.